I want to show you how easy it is to weld this permanent bracelet with a connector jewel. I wholesale this and much more online, and the information is below. The same principle applies to all connector permanent bracelets. So I'm going to make another permanent bracelet with a connector, CZ connector. So first I loop this in, and then I loop the chain. And then using pliers, so I make sure that it's looped and it's closed, touching with the ground. Here I'm using 24 gauge 3mm jump ring, and I'm going to use 7.5 watts, even though I can use less power. And then now I touch it, 7.5, there you go. Sometimes it's a bit on the strong side, and usually second time you might get more fire scale. Okay, there you go. And then what you want to do is let it drape like this, bring it up, and you want to measure. I think that's pretty good. I had a piece that I was happy with. So you have it closed. Like this. And then there we go. My apologies that this video is a little bit awkward. I didn't have a model, so doing it on myself is a little bit more challenging, and it's 3mm jump rings, and I can't stick my face close to it without blocking the camera. But it's a lot easier when you are doing it for someone else. And I'm going to include some information about the Orion Micro Welder below. Feel free to comment and ask questions. I will try my very best to respond.